Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video we are going to discuss how we can install and use Tor browser on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. To install the Tor browser, first of all we have to download the installer file. For that, simply open any browser, search for Tor browser, open the link from torproject.org/download. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. Here we have a download option for Windows. Simply click on download for Windows and it will download the installer file. Once the download has been completed, simply open the file. Here from the drop-down menu, select your language, click on OK, and here you have to choose the installation location. For now, I'm not going to change it. However, if you want to change the installation location, you can do so by clicking on this browse button and you can browse the location. After that, click on install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, you will get a option to run Tor browser, and you can also add Tor browser shortcut to start menu and desktop icon. If you want to add it, then you can simply check the box, then click on finish. So here we have the Tor browser. Simply open it. Now to use the Tor browser, you have to connect the browser to the Tor network. For that, simply click on always connect automatically and click on connect. Here you can see it is establishing connection to the Tor network. Once it gets connected, you are ready to use the Tor browser. On the Tor browser, DuckDuckGo is the default search engine. So whatever you search using the Tor browser goes through DuckDuckGo. So that's it. This is how you can install and use Tor browser on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.